Yo, I'm mad as shit. I'm so fucking mad, yo. I'm sitting on the toilet taking a shit. Psych. I ain't taking no damn shit. But I'm mad as shit, yo. Somebody calling me, yo. Yo, I'm gonna get to where I'm at. But first, before we get to that, man, y'all remember this shit?
I had nowhere to go.
Yeah, that shit. Y'all remember that, right? So my overall plan is to have every car at Winter Jam painted, same color. Voila, here's all my cars. Couple of pit bikes, mobbing around, having some fun with all the bruvs, all the friends. What up, though? How you doing? Great to see you. How your mama and them? That's what the I planned on doing. But it ain't gonna happen like that.
Oh, I'm beating your ass.
I was cornered from in front of me. There were 3 people right there.
Last night wasn't the fucking night.
But first, we're at the racetrack. You know we got to get some drifting going on. It is the last Sonoma Drift of the official scheduled calendar year of 21. I brought the car just to kind of chill, see if there were some guys that I was inspired to drive with today. Yo, so this is how my night's ending.
Now here's what the fuck I'm mad, bro. I'm mad because I didn't want to drive last night, but in my head, I'm thinking this is the last event of the calendar schedule before Winter Jam. Now, I had already done my testing with the car, and it was good to go. Wasn't gonna drive until Winter Jam, but I decided last night, man, at least let me show up. So I showed up, and I was sitting in the vehicle watching D1, and I'm like, I'm gonna leave the car on the trailer till I see some people that I want to drive with. Talked to my homies Louie and them, and was like, thinking to myself, I'm looking at their tires and shit, and I'm like, you know what? My first time driving with them, I'll go ahead and drive with them. But remember, my original plan was not to drive. I didn't want to drive, and I shouldn't have fucking drove. It's not their fault. They're fine. They were doing their thing. This is a gentleman's sport. Again, remember this? That shit is what just happens when you get on the track and drive, right? So last night, what just happened between all of us is just what happens.
Track and spraying fluid. Oh, fucking no fucking way, bro. No fucking way, bro. This was not the night. I felt it. I felt that shit, bro. I felt that shit, bro. I felt that shit, bro. Oil coolers, everything. I feel it dragging. Everything's fucked. There ain't no fucking way that just happened, bro. There ain't no fucking way that just happened, bruh. Oh, god damn it. Ain't no fucking way that just happened, bro.
Yo, send me that video. Swear to God, yo. Yo, I couldn't feel any worse. So I gave space and then I hit the brakes right here.
Yo, it's icy as fuck, dude. Yeah,
Dude,
you
like
could
the
tell.
tires are cold, they didn't get warmed up, all of that shit. I mean, that's the technical shit about it, but I fucking feel terrible that that even happened, dog. And it's his born day.
That shit was a little gnarly. What ended up happening from my seating position, now if I showed you that, the bird's eye view, it looks like, oh, you had years to stop. It looks like it, yeah. But in my seated position, I sit so low in the vehicle, all I can see is Louis' car. At the way that the car, the yellow car pitched when I saw it for that split second out the backside of Louis' car before I saw Louis hit the brake lights and his wheels cocked, that's when I knew we were in trouble. But before that, the turn goes that way. So that GTO being at angle, I was like, that's no problem. That's how they're supposed to be going. And I just gave a small clutch kick to get my surge started because I thought they were going to take off and burn rubber out of the hole since they're V8s. But that slight clutch kick, and I immediately went from clutch kick to slamming on the brakes. But the lurch that it gave me, that's why the car was straight. Because instead of, right before it started to burn rubber, I noticed that it was happening, so I didn't get into burning rubber that way. And the car was going straight because I was on the brakes and the car understeered right into the side of Louis' car.
Oh, no!
Now, shit happens. No big deal. That wasn't the... Check this shit out.
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Damn.
Yeah, that bullshit happened too. How did that happen? Bro, it wasn't my night. So check this out. I went to 7-Eleven and the little broad 7-Eleven was like, yo, is that your car on the trailer? I'm like, yes, ma'am, that is. She's like, what you about to go do with it? I said, I'm about to go fuck it up. I never say shit like that. Why did I put that in the universe? I have no goddamn clue. Cause I put it in the universe, I went out there and fucked my car up. I never say that kind of shit, yo. As I'm going through the course, I'm looking at the wall where I want to buzz. As I'm looking at the wall where I want to buzz, you couldn't really see that tire stack because it's dark. Yes, the camera shows better than my eyeballs, so you may see it on the camera just a little bit, but run it back again. As you see, I'm looking forward at the wall around the cone, and right when I looked to the side, I said, oh shit, there's a tire stack. I could have said, let me floor it and go forward, but I didn't think. My judgment didn't tell me that I was going to be able to clear that, so I opted for the soft part of the door, then the hard part on my axle. My window's down. My windows didn't crack. That meant my doors didn't go pushed all the way in. I didn't hear that window bust. I figured we're good to go. And I took off. I kept rocking. Door ain't that bad. Matter of fact, man, let's go outside. I'm about to show y'all this shit, yo. So, I mean, I've pushed out a little bit of it. I've been working with it and things like that. It's coming back together. It's getting a little bit better. No big deal. Wiped all the tire marks off of it. Now I just have to push this dent out and this dent out and that one. There was a whole lot of ripples. I mean, you could see them, but not enough that I should care about nothing. No big deal. All I'm gonna do is get the car off the trailer, take the door panel off, and I'll push all of this out. And that's it. Put a heat gun on it. We're back gravy. That's not a big deal. I learned from Julian, yo, who cares, right? Push the dent out. Julian said push the dent out, put a livery over them. This Blast City. Big deal, small deal, whatever. I've got some more oil coolers ordered up. I just have to fix this. Got to do a little bit of fiberglassing, rewrapping. This shit is all Flop City now. I'm so pissed at myself. Get new bumper. Over it. Pro Style Wraps, they're gonna hook me back up, give me back one color. The thing is can I get it done before Winter Jam? I don't know. Because that was my whole original plan, is to make a good showing in Winter Jam 2021 and have some fun. Winter Jam's back. We got held off last year. This year we're back. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that now. But I'm going to try. Y'all know I'm going to try. So I obviously ordered all new aero. That'll be here. Ordered new oil cooler. That'll be here. Hopefully I can get this shit taken care of. Fingers crossed. If not, well, I gotta rebuild anyway. So that's just gonna be the ongoing process. That looked wild. I'm such a fucking bozo, yo. So stupid for doing that, man. I'm pretty mad about that. And like I said, I'm only mad at myself. I ain't mad at nobody else. Yeah, man. Bad fucking news. I mean, I already kind of knew it because it hit that corner. We got some frame pulling action that needs to happen, which fucking sucks because he ain't no rush. Winter Jam ain't happening. If you could look right down this line, you could see that. And then also, if you look right here, right, we know she got tweaked a little bit. Plus that right there, that wasn't there. And you could see how the headlights underlapping under the hood. And I wouldn't be able to make my hood go down unless I pulled it over that way. So, to the body shop it goes, y'all. Oh well, you know. Parts are on the way. God damn. So we got to strip it again. I'm gonna strip her on down, side skirts off, fenders off, send it over to the body shop, get the frame pulled. I do not like that. I'm hella mad, blood.